Samir 1 and Samir 2. In that, Samir 1 belongs to Hindu religion, right? And Samir 2 belongs to Muslim. So here we are talking about Samir 1. So he was a Hindu. Okay, he was a Hindu. Where are Pushmina shawls woven? Now, they used to make Pushmina shawls in Ladakh. But for woven, for stitching purpose, where they used to give them? They used to give them to Kashmir. Okay, where? Kashmir. Okay. Now, in what manner Ladakh and Kerala are different? Ladakh and Kerala are totally different in a geographical manner. The condition, right? The condition of the, we can say, climatic condition, the weather is totally different, right? So, climatically, geographically, it is totally different. So, what will be the answer? Geographic reason. Now, in this way, we have completed. Choose the correct option. Now, we will start true or false. Okay, so let's start. First one, physical difference can found only in plants. Now, in physical difference, we can found only in plants, that there are different plants. In the same way, we can found the physical difference in our human being also. So, not only in plants, in human being also, right? So, this is what false. Okay, false. Now next, people who have cheekbones are fair and people who have broad face are having complexion. Are we judging people in the basis of their complexion or their face structure or something like that? No. So it is nothing like that. If people is fair, if a person is fair or is dark or is broad faced, doesn't matter. We are not judging by it, right? So this is what false. Now, caste system is only found in India. Now, yes, in India, as India is diverse country, caste system, religion system is only found in India. So that is what true. Now, diversity and unity cannot exist together. This is totally wrong. Diversity and university are the same coin, right? Unity in diversity, right? So this is false. Yes, they can exist together. Now next, diversity teaches us the value of peaceful coexistence. Yes, it is diversity. Our country is diverse, but yes, there is peace around, means among the people, right? So this is what true. Now next, the Big Bang theory explains origin of universe. Now in the Big Bang theory, they have explained the origin of universe, that is the planets, the sun, the moon. So that is true. Okay. There are 9 known planets. No, there are not 9 known planets. There are near about 8 planets, right? So this is not false. Okay. Now Mercury and Venus has no satellite. Yes, this is true. Mercury and Venus, they don't have their natural satellite. Artificial satellite is different. Natural satellite they are not having, right? So this is what true. Now next, the sun is a big sized star. Yes, the sun is big sized star. Okay, so that is what true. Now manuscript is an important source of history. Yes, manuscript is important. From that we know different things. So that is what true. Now constellation is one big star. Now constellation is a group of stars. Now star is also kind of, we can say, means constellations are group of stars. So it is known as one big star, pole star, and different names I have given, right? So constellation is one big star. Now, diversity is an integral part of our life. Yes, it is an integral part of our life. So, it is what? True. Now, next, century is a period of 1000 years. No, century is a period of 100 years, not 1000 years, right? So, this is false. Now, diversity teaches us the value of peaceful coexistence. Yes, I told you that peace is there when there is diversity, right? So that is what true. Okay, now in this way we have completed the revision of social. Now you have to thoroughly, you have to revise it properly. Okay, whatever question answers are there, whatever revision I have given, that you have to revise it thoroughly. Okay, got it? Or you can also see the previous videos for the revision. Okay, but in short you have to revise the revision properly. Got it? All the very best for your exam. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.